Alright, here we are. It's currently 1:15 a.m. on Friday, the 5th of August, 2011. That's Layla hanging out, chilling. Anthony messing with Black Ops. The power just went out for about 10 minutes, so I'm giving you guys a quick update before the power goes out again. Currently the winds, I don't know exactly the miles per hour that it is right now, but I'd say the winds are probably a good staying about probably 80 or 90 miles per hour at this time. I'm going to head to the front of the house so you can see a little bit better. You see the light blinking there, you know it's pretty bad. And cars are still driving by. If I can get a quick shot. Probably not. Okay, I would say a quick shot of the road, but I can't. But this is current conditions of Typhoon Muifa. I just want to say thank you guys for your comments. I just want to give a quick shout out to Burrow 1969, BWG Bach, Super Sunny, NJMM1, Fanny Bud, Natasha Isabel, and Shadow DC1. Thank you for your comments. I will keep you posted as much as I can. And I'm actually probably going to try to get some rest now. The power is probably going to be out shortly, but when it does, I'll probably post something first thing in the morning as soon as I can. So until then, take care. The roof right here. It's actually shaking pretty bad. Probably can't. This is probably the closest I can get to getting a good view of the typhoon. An umbrella would not hold up out here right now. I don't feel the water, but I can see it. See you guys in the morning.